Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about custom command in Cypress. So first we will understand about the custom command. Okay, so we have customized any command. For example, the button click is there. So generally we are keeping like that cy.get selector.click. So when we want to use the click functions, so everywhere we are using same, right? And all the test cases files we are keeping. So instead of that, in that commands.js file is there. There you can keep the custom command and we can use the functions. We can call the one is generic functions. So you can see this is the command.js file is there. Here we can keep any of the functions. We can create the customized function and we can access the function for throughout that all the test cases. So like this is like refactoring of the code, and this is look like a very good way to understand. See, we can see here commands are there. See, this is like sample files are there, how to do these things. So like this is the parent commands and cypress.command.add, like that we have to add, and here inside that you can keep your test case, whatever your workflow is there, what your means, action is there. You can your action test case action we can define it here. Okay, we'll check what test cases we'll take in previous test cases. So hooks test cases we can test cases. Let's see the test case. This is our test case. Okay, and so many things are there. Okay, so this test cases what perform is there. So you can see that we will take from the first go to main page is there, and cy.widget. This is like generic. This is like cy.widget. Widget is the command to navigate the URL, but that is not like user friendly, we can say. So if as per your project, you can do your customizations your project. You can mention like that. Go to main page, go to the second page, third page, like that we can create the customize command and we are able to do it. So let's start. Okay, so as you know, like command.js we have to define. Okay, so we will create one command and we will change here. Again we will create the one more command, we can change here one by one. Okay, and second thing like is assertion is there. Assertion also we can keep one assertion, no need to keep every time should command should is visible or not, like that we are no need to use. Directly we can use simple way, it will work. Okay, so start from that cy.widget. So we'll go to the command.js. Before that we will run the test case and we will check if test case is perfectly running everything, then only one by one we will change and we will do. Okay, so npx cypress open will do. Hook basic test is there. Okay, this is coming and you can click on that Chrome. Okay, cypress basic test. Okay, this is our test case. Now it's running. Yeah, this previous test case maybe some issue will come, so we will fix first, then we will start. Okay, we are going to that and page is loading, coming back. Yeah, perfect. So the test cases are running correctly. So now we will change this all line of code. See this line of so many lines of code. This see this line of code we will change in the customized commands, and everything should be the perfect way. Let's start. Let's go to this command.js. So we can double click on that. So it will be like it will not remove the files. Okay, now it will not remove. Okay, if you double click on this file, it will not remove. Otherwise, you will go to select another file, it will be removed. Okay, so this is our test case. We will start from the first. Okay, we will keep something like you can keep. Okay, so this is the command. You can see here also. This is our command. it should be the same. cy cypress dot command dot add should till here is correct one. Now we can open bracket open and close, and here we can give the URL name. What is the function name you want to keep? So first of all, the function is related to the URL. So we can mention like some generic name as per your understanding. You can keep, okay, as per your project you can keep the correct name. So I'm keeping go to main page URL. Okay, go to main page URL. It is fine. The comma. Okay, here what URL you want to visit. Okay, that one you can define it here. Okay, and like for example, if you want to keep fixed URL, then you can define the URL here. Otherwise you can call from here also. So we are like, this is generic command we want to create with the customize. So I can set the URL. Okay, this is the URL. Now we are creating the function of that. Okay, this is a function. Now what is the command? Cy dot widget is there, our command. You know, everyone know that widget is our command, and URL you can define it. So like this way you can define it. So now this is our function. Go to the main URL. Cy dot we can change. It will like looks like very good. Go to main page URL. So now you will run your test case again. So it is checking or not main page URL is taking, right? So like this. Second thing is their assertions. This particular button is there or not. So we can keep that one also. Okay. So this is a line of code we want to modify. So we can go to that command.js, copy everything, this one, no issue, and we can define it down. What is the assertion? This is like what the thing assertion is there. This is like assertions. Assertion should be displayed. This is I think maybe button or something. Assertion is there. Basically, we can say the assertions. Okay, so we can say the any label may be there. Maybe label something is there. So assertion label on page we can say. Okay, assertion text on the page, assertion button on label. Okay, we can keep the name assert label on web page. We can keep like this way. Okay, and label name, no, this is not label, this is assertion button on page, button, assertion button, because label is like we can give the text here like this. Label means this one, our assertion button on web page, this is the video. And this is like we can give the selector of that. If selector is there, you can define any name here, that is not issue. Okay, so now this is not required. ui.widget is not required for us, and we can keep like ui.get. Inside the get, what is there? Selector is there. What is selector? Dot should is there. Should is a command. Okay, v dot visible. Okay, so this is the second command of that, and web page, and we can go here cy dot web page. No, not this one, this one. Okay, now we share the selector, but this is not required. Okay, like this way you have to do. Let's see it's running or not, starting or not test case. See, this is test case is getting started correctly, and there is no issue. So like that we can create the all everything, and we will check one by one. Okay, yeah. Third one, down one, we are checking. This is our command, right? And this is command like we have to use first visible and click also. Both things are at a time. We can do it. These are both conditions. We can take this one. Only assassin is there. You can give assassin and click assert and click on click. You can mention a click on button. Like you can generic name, you can keep anything is fine, but it should be that as per your project or anything. Okay, assassin is there and click also there. So click on button is there. Okay, and so we can say here this is a click on button. Okay, click on button. And these things is not required because we already click is there. Already everything is there. You can see next line of code. Okay. Now, fourth condition is label. We have to asset label. Okay. So this is only assertion is required. So this is also assertion only, right? This is also assertion. This is a button assertion. This is a label assertion. We can get another one. Assert label on web page. Label on web page. And this is a label you can keep. Instead of keeping selector, it should keep the label. Label should be the correct one. Okay. Okay, now what is the label? If you want to use the content here, you have to use for label to content. Now it's correct, right? Because you can see here cy.get is there, like cy.content is there. Now instead of content we are keeping particular things. See, you can see asset label on page. Okay, we can keep asset label on page. Yeah, this is a asset label on page, and this is a asset label. Okay, and I think some okay. So see this till here we did, and up above one, first one, go to the main page, we change. You can see ready for the page, we change. Now we are coming in the test class. Test. This is a test block. Now you will start from here. This is like button is there and click also there. So as you know, we have one thing, cy dot we have button click and click on button, visible and click we can use, and we have to give the selector. That's it. Okay, this is selector. Okay, fine. Okay, this is not required, right? Done. Right, because what is the use of that? Because we already there, then it will be great because we already save. And this is a button, and this button click on button is there. Okay, this is a click on button. Watch. Okay, now content is there. Content regarding that we already there. Content. Okay, asset. So label on content, this is also we can change it. We can remove from this. Okay, now title is not there. Okay, so title we have to add. Okay, asset. Okay, we'll take one more, and asset title. Asset page title you can keep. And here also we can keep the title, what title you want to asset. And cy dot same function is there, cy dot title. These things we can keep it here. Okay, title command is there, right? Okay, this title, this is there, and here we have to keep the title, whatever title we want to give. tytle title. Got it? And here we can go and change. What is that? Asset page title. This is asset page title we can keep. Okay, like this way. So this is like, it looks like very good. Previously, like we are given the everything here, click button is there. Now all everything is a function. Next one, should is there and click also there. So see, you know, this one you have to use both the conditions. Okay, these things you can use it here, and selector you can use. Okay, this is, and last one is assessor on page. So this is our assessor on page. We can keep it here. and you can remove this one. Okay, this is like a customized command. We created so many customized commands, and we like here we created the 5 to 6 command. First is URL, second is the assertion button on web page, assert button on web page, and click on button, assertion label on web page, and assertion page title. Okay, now our test case will run and we'll check is it correctly working or not. Okay, let's start. The test case is going, and see title we are checking. Title is getting failed. It's not equal to. Okay, we did some mistake maybe. Okay, should command. Okay, this is we did any mistakes in our test case. We'll fix it. Just a minute. After each, this is the sign in. No, we did mistake. This is not content we use. Here content we have to use. Here we use like the assertion. This is the content method. See, we can give the undo control Z. I'm doing control Z. See, this is the content. Content means label, not that. And we give different things. Okay, this is label. This is a label function. We did the mistake of that label functions, and now we will change correctly. Okay, so it not be like this way. Okay, because now is correct way. So now we'll check the test case. Test case is running. Yeah, see, it's getting fast. There is no issue in this test case because we mentioned the equal. Equal is should not be there, eq, because we already defined it inside that equal. Because of that, this issue is coming. Command should be the correct one. So now we can see our test case is getting fast, and we'll see all the assertions. See, first we are launching the page, and assertion is there. Before it, we have click on that. Okay, this button is there and visible. See, both the condition are there. Expected, this header is there, visible is there, then it's click. Two conditions we are adding at a time, right? After the click, it's going to next page. See here. Now we are checking like this. This is the text label we kept that. Sign in the existing gaming game account. This is a visible or not. This command we use before going to the test body. After the test body also, we are visible is there and click. Everywhere click is there, visible click, visible click. Okay, this is the title. Title is there. After that, we are checking the label. See title and label we are keeping here. See title and label. So each and everything will be like that. So this is like customized command. We can create any command, whatever as per the your test message.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.